If WinRAR is not showing in the right-click menu on Windows, it usually means the shell integration is disabled or broken. First, open WinRAR directly and go to Settings or Options, then check the Integration or Shell Integration section and enable it. Make sure Add WinRAR to Shell context menu is checked so it appears in the right-click menu. Restart WinRAR after enabling this setting. If it still does not appear, reinstall WinRAR because missing installation components can break context menu integration. Check Windows settings for default apps and file associations to ensure WinRAR is properly linked to .zip and .rar files. Try running WinRAR as administrator once to allow it to register shell extensions. Disable any third-party context menu managers or cleaners because they can hide right-click options. Update WinRAR to the latest version since older versions may not support Windows 11 context menu properly. Restart your PC after making changes to refresh the Windows shell. These steps will restore WinRAR in the right-click menu on Windows.